name is Emily Michaud, and I'm going to be teaching you how to use Class Dojo today. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to use portfolios to create assignments for your children to do. As you can see, this is the home screen of Class Dojo. You see all of the students listed. Up here at the top, we have Classroom. Portfolios is the function I'm going to be teaching you about today. Class Story is where you can post newsletters and pictures and videos that you want to share with parents. And the Messages tab is where you can communicate with parents, kind of like instant messaging. When I want to create a formative assessment for my students to do on Class Dojo, I have to go to the Portfolios tab. When you want to create your activity, you go to the Create Activity button on the left-hand side. Then I can make my activity name. I'm just going to write tutorial. I can put instructions in this blank. The directions say, please draw a picture to describe yourself. Students can submit a text entry where they would type. They can video record themselves talking or acting out a skit. They can take a picture of something, or they can draw. I'm going to click draw. Then you would click assign to class. All right, so I've already made an assignment. It's called Who Are You? Students had to make a flag to represent themselves. When students submit an assignment, they will pop up just for the teacher to see because the teacher has to approve them to go on the student's portfolio. The reason you need to approve them is because their parents can see assignments they put on their portfolio. I can click on one of my submissions, so I'm just going to approve it. Now I can go to my next one that has not been approved. You can either approve or return as a draft. This one I think I'll return as a draft. If you look at the top of this assignment, it tells you how many have been approved. If you click on it, it tells you the students who have been approved and the ones who have not submitted. It tells you your pending approval have 0 and 4 have not yet submitted. So if I scroll down after I have approved it and I click on this assignment, I can add my own comment or like it. Parents can also like and comment on their students' portfolio assignments. If you look up here by the assignment name, there's an edit option. If I click on it, I can archive the activity or I can delete the activity.